Dawn. First sun rays. Fresh breeze. Moist in the air. The smell of forest and the feeling of truly being out there, where we can feel the vibe we love so much. We are constantly on the move, traveling to see new horizons, meet new people, landscapes and experiences. Into the unknown, to that dot on the map we've just made. To the place where we listen to the wind and to ourselves. Traveling, getting lost and found. Again and again. Never-ending cycle. Maps, signs, sunsets, dusty dirt roads, rains. Testing our bodies and mind. We get lost, entangled, scared. Trying to do all we can to get to the place we wish to so hard. Being exhausted and cold is just a part of the story. Once the sun comes out and we get a glimpse of the place we are trying to reach, everybody's filled with joy. It is true that path is sometimes more astounding than the goal itself. Anyhow, do we even need goals? Something so terminal. When we reach places that water calls home, we reach our home. Everything was worth getting there, and we can finally embrace the moment we were meant to feel. It's the moment when thoughts don't rush anymore. The moment when you truly taste the meaning of being alive. Rivers are Mother Earth's veins and the source of life itself. Rivers provide us with water, food, and above all, questions. Never-ending puzzles about us, them, and everything in between. They provide us with tranquility, playfulness, and inspiration. Inspiration that opens the mind to cherish the moment, quality that animals so beautifully possess. Enjoying and living with other beings, truly feeling their presence and the positive vibrations they emit, is something alone worth trying every day. Life truly is special, and it is shown and celebrated in all possible forms. We are all like condors, soaring high up there with our ideas and intentions. To find people and experiences so special, worth every breath. It is something worth celebrating and sharing, smiling every day, no matter how harsh it was. Because when we come back to sit next to the fire, we have the time to express gratitude and think and ask ourselves the question often posed by the others. Why?
Soon, gonna marry a man like no other. Light the fuse. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Love, love is a warmest color. Petrol blues. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Comes so long to be the one lover. In my youth, the greatest tide washed up my